Welcome to Preschool Summer Reading for June 29th, 2026, Part 2. Today's theme is America's 250th birthday. The U.S. Flag, The Stars and Stripes, by Martha E. H. Rustad, illustrated by Kyle Poling. Chapter 1, A Symbol of the United States. The class stands and begins. I pledge allegiance to the flag. When they finish, Charles raises his hand. What does the Pledge of Allegiance mean? Great question, says Mr. Gomez. The 13 colonies. The U.S. became a country in 1776, Mr. Gomez says. People wanted a symbol for it. Chapter 2, Our Changing Flag. U.S. leaders chose a red, white, and blue flag. The colors stand for courage, goodness, and fairness. The Flag Act of 1777 resolved that the flag of the United States be made of 13 stripes, alternate red and white, that the Union be 13 stars, white in a blue field, representing a new constellation. Mr. Gomez shows us the first flag. There are only 13 stars, says Miles. At first, the country had 13 states. Now we have 50 states, so we have 50 stars, Mr. Gomez says. Mr. Gomez adds, our flag has 13 stripes to stand for the first 13 states, we say together. Chapter 3, The Pledge of Allegiance. What do the words in the pledge mean, asks Xavier. Let's look at them, says Mr. Gomez. Allegiance, respect. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America. Allegiance means you'll respect the U.S., our teacher says. And to the republic for which it stands, republic. A republic is the kind of government we have, Mr. Gomez explains. People vote to choose leaders. One nation, under God, indivisible. Mr. Gomez says indivisible means something that can't be taken apart. With liberty and justice for all. Liberty means being free, says Mr. Gomez, and justice means fairness. Now we understand the Pledge of Allegiance. Learn about American symbols. The American flag is sometimes called Old Glory. The American flag became official in 1777. The 50th star was added to the flag in 1960. Astronauts have put American flags on the moon. The U.S. has had 27 different versions of the flag. Glossary. Allegiance, loyalty and respect. Government, a group of people that make rules for a country. Republic, a kind of government where people vote to choose their leader. Symbol, an object that stands for something else. Learn more. Follow the links below. The end. We're going to make an American flag banner, and this is also a craft I found on Oriental Trading, so we're going to use the directions that they sent with it, which are right here. And what you have is a blue sparkly field. You have some sparkly stars, and you have red and white stripes. And I doubt that there's 13 like on the flag, but there's definitely not 50 stars. But this is just a banner. And then you also have a string so that you can hang it up. So the first thing we're going to do is attach the string, and I'm going to put it through the front and tie a knot. put it through the front on the other side. And tie a knot. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is attach the stripes. So we have this blue piece, which is actually an adhesive. And what we're gonna do is trap these stripes on there. A little fuzzy here. Move the stars out of the way. There's 3, 4, 5 red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 of each. We want to attach them to the bottom, and we want to alternate red and white, unless you want to do yours a different way. But I think it'll look really nice alternating red and white. And you want to make sure that the sparkle part is face down since we're working on the back. And they're pretty close together to fit. So just lay those down. Remember, if your little ones are doing this, it's going to be a little askew, but I always think it's good to let them do it however they'd like so that it's their project. But that's just my personal opinion. So I think it shows ending in white, but I'm going to end in red and not put the last one on, just because I like it this way. So we take the backing off the blue piece, and we line it up. And I just put it up where it fits. Press that down, make sure it's stuck to both the blue foam and the little white stripes and red and white stripes. So that's what mine looks like, and I have this extra I can save for another craft. And then we just stick the stars on, and the way they have it in the picture is 6, then 5, then 4. So we'll see how that works out. So I'm going to go ahead and put these stars on so you don't have to watch the whole time. And I'll come back when I'm finished. Okay, and there's the last star. And that is what my banner looks like. It is stripy, and the stripes flutter. And it has, what, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 stars. And that's all there's to it.